Sneezing might seem simple, but it's actually your body's way of defending itself against unwanted invaders. When something like dust, pollen, or even a strong smell irritates your nose, tiny sensors send a signal to your brain to get rid of it. That's when the sneeze reflex kicks in. Sneeze can travel at a speed of 160 kilometers per hour. A study conducted at the University of Bristol showed that a sneeze is sending 100,000 germs into the air. It's your body's natural way of cleaning out irritants and protecting your lungs. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body looking out for you. Want to learn more fun facts about the human body? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's the weirdest thing that's ever made you sneeze?